Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. Today's video is all about a BMW 5 Series that we've upgraded with a fully integrated reversing camera. My name's Adil and you're watching CBS Automotive. So on the back of the vehicle, we've added in what's called the Pro Fit Wedge Camera. It's really discreet install. And what you've actually got is obviously the boot handle, which goes right in the middle. Just to the right-hand side of that, you've got our Pro Fit Wedge Camera design. It's basically gone into exactly the same place as where the factory one would sit, but seamless integration here. And this actually involves a physical cable run that goes all the way to the front of the vehicle into an integration module. We're going to jump inside the car now, and I'm actually going to show you exactly how the system looks from the entertainment system. So this vehicle, when it was manufactured, wasn't actually equipped with a reversing camera, and all it had was front and rear parking sensors, which when you selected reverse before, you got that PDC overlay. Now, as soon as we engage reverse, literally straight away, simple as that, we've got PDC overlay, still retaining audible tone for the parking sensors as well. So it's kind of like a split screen design here. So these are the factory fitted sensors displaying, plus obviously you've got the adjustment there when we turn the wheel. Plus one really nice thing here is that we've got the actual overlay as well for fully active guidelines on the screen, plus that crystal clear image. You might in today's video be able to see some lines going across the screen. That is because of the LED panel that you're watching there, but also the LED lights that we've got in our workshop. As soon as you go into natural light, absolutely crystal clear, but really, really easy to use. And it just gives that added functionality that the car was really lacking from. Obviously a car this size, this just makes parking so much easier. Plus obviously the retention of those factory PDC, the PDC overlay, as well as that audible tone, now linked in with that reversing camera, has really made this car a lot easier to park. So we're all wrapped up here on today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed the upgrade that we've added onto this BMW 5 Series. If you're interested in having this particular install done on your vehicle, drop us a message. All of our contact details are in the description below. And if you have enjoyed today's video, it really helps us out if you could like today's video, share it with friends and family, and also help that YouTube algorithm help us at smashing that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.